Top 10 Bootstrap Form Ideas. Opening shot of a computer screen with a blank form. Voiceover. Bootstrap is a popular framework that allows you to create responsive and stylish websites quickly and easily. In this video, we'll be showcasing our top 10 Bootstrap form ideas that can elevate the look and feel of your website. Transition to the first Bootstrap form example. Voiceover. Number 1. The Floating Labels form. This form uses Bootstrap's built-in form classes and JavaScript to create labels that float above the input field when the user starts typing. Cut to a split screen showing the floating labels form in action. Voiceover. Number 2. The Material Design form. This form is inspired by Google's Material Design and features clean lines, subtle animations, and bold colors, all implemented using Bootstrap components. Cut to a split screen showing the Material Design form in action. Voiceover. Number 3. The Login form with social media buttons. This form uses Bootstrap's button classes and font awesome icons to create a simple and stylish login form with social media buttons for easy sign-in. Cut to a split screen showing the login form with social media buttons in action. Voiceover. Number 4. The Rounded Input form. This form uses Bootstrap's border radius classes to create rounded input fields, giving the form a softer and more modern look. Cut to a split screen showing the rounded input form in action. Voiceover. Number 5. The Select drop-down form. This form uses Bootstrap's Select component to create a drop-down menu for selecting options, perfect for when you have limited space on your form. Cut to a split screen showing the Select drop-down form in action. Voiceover. Number 6. The Floating Contact form. This form uses Bootstrap's grid system and floating labels to create a contact form that floats above the page, adding a unique and eye-catching element to your website. Cut to a split screen showing the floating contact form in action. Voiceover. Number 7. The Subscription form. This form uses Bootstrap's input groups and button classes to create a subscription form that allows users to easily subscribe to your newsletter or service. Cut to a split screen showing the subscription form in action. Voiceover. Number 8. The Search form with filter options. This form uses Bootstrap's input groups and drop-downs to create a search form with filter options, perfect for when you have a large dataset to search through. Cut to a split screen showing the search form with filter options in action. Voiceover. Number 9. The Multi-Step form. This form uses Bootstrap's tab component to create a multi-step form, allowing you to break down complex forms into smaller, more manageable sections. Cut to a split screen showing the multi-step form in action. Voiceover. Number 10. The Feedback form. This form uses Bootstrap's form validation classes to ensure that all fields are filled out correctly before submitting, making it easy for users to provide feedback and suggestions. Cut to a split screen showing the feedback form in action. Voiceover. These were our top 10 Bootstrap form ideas. Try them out on your own website and let us know which one is your favorite. Closing shot of the computer screen with the Bootstrap logo in the corner.